is on my mind. It's for everyone, no matter where they're from. Love across all lines. Like the feeling of how the season changing. Love is a memory. In these last days when unity plays in, truth love speaks. I need true love. How do you know? Will I what you mean to me? True love. Where does it show as I live and I breathe? True love. In the valley of the shadow, I know that you'll be higher defense, higher conquer death, and I conquer enemy. What is love really if it only a thing? One aspect of life. That's like a musician who only accepts his own musical time. That's like a preacher who only respects Sunday morning and not Saturday night. That's how this soldier can come to reflect that love is more than a man and a wife. I mean, I need true love. Where do you know it? But I watch you do it to me. True love. And does it show as I live and I breathe? In the valley of the shadow, I know who you'll be. Higher defense, higher conquer death, and I conquer envy. In a time of plenty, it's gonna keep me strong. Things get hot and I keep cooling. It's gonna keep me strong.